welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, hi, my name is Rituja and hope you guys are doing fantastic. So, as you know, I have recently been to Udaipur and I've made sure that I'll capture a lot of long form content for my YouTube channel. So, with this video, we are going to start with the Udaipur series, and in this series, I'll be posting 4 videos related to Udaipur, and it will cover everything from the stay, things you need to do in Udaipur, outfit inspiration, and everything that you can think about before you visit a place. So basically this series is going to be kind of a guide of Udaipur, you can say. So yeah, if this is something that interests you and if you're planning to visit Udaipur in the future, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new Udaipur video on my channel. So talking about today's video, as you have read by the title, today's video is going to be an Udaipur haul video. In this video, I'll be also sharing with you guys places that you can shop from in Udaipur, and in this video you can expect a lot of home decor items, footwear, clothing, and much more. So yeah, to know what all I got and where you can shop from in Udaipur, keep on watching the video. Start with one of my favorite categories, which is clothing. So the first clothing item that I have for you guys is the one that I'm wearing right now. So this is a halter neck top and this is how it looks like. So basically you can just tie it around your neck and around your back. So it's a freestyle ka top and you can adjust it according to your needs. Jitna aapko deep rakhna hai, jitna aapko tight rakhna hai, it depends on you totally. And if you're wondering what you can wear inside this, obviously you can wear nipple tapes. I was about the adjustment. Now this is something that is very common in Udaipur and you will literally see this top hanging around every shop in Udaipur. Honestly, this top is something that gives me Goa ka vibe. I got this from a boutique called as Almas Boutique, and this is right in the end of the lane of Bagor Ki Haveli. And yeah, I got this for 180 rupees. You can easily bargain and come down to 150 rupees, but the shopkeeper was a lady and she was very sweet. Like वो मुझे 150 में भी दे देती. And I would tell you guys that do not try to bargain a lot in Udaipur because Udaipur is a tourism city and उनका पूरा business tourism पे चलता है. And you know, because of the pandemic, उन पे बहुत ज़्यादा hit हुआ because वो पूरा बंद ही था. Like tourism बंद था तो how are they going to earn? So that's why we did not bargain a lot. Now you can easily style this as a top, as a blouse and whatnot, but that is a different video for a different day. You will definitely find a lot of colorful options in this top. I should have taken one more, but okay, never mind. I'm happy with this one as well. That was about the halter neck top, and moving to the second clothing item, you guys. So I have 2 sarees here with me, which obviously my mom picked up. Now again, this is something that is very common in Udaipur. Like these are called as organic sarees, and Udaipur is famous for organic sarees because these are made up of organic ingredients such as banana, bamboo, lotus, and a lot more. This one is the banana organic saree, and this is how it looks like. My mom has already wore it and she looked so beautiful in this. Like this is so matlab itna classic or elegant, and plus it's white, you guys. Like white can never go wrong. ये बहुत ज़्यादा simple print है, but इसका जो material और इसका जो richness है, that is just on point, I would say. Now moving on to the second saree. Now this is something that I love personally. इस पे as you can see ऐसे मस्त ऐसा golden detailing बना हुआ है, and that really is something that is going to glow if you wear this रात को आराम से, because as you can see, I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but ये अभी भी इतना golden detailing इसका मस्त glow हो रहा है. This was love at first sight, you guys. इसमें भी color options available थे, but this is something that we liked and we picked up. And इसमें भी color options available थे, but again this is something that we liked and we picked up. I think ये बोलना नहीं चाहिए, but you get my point, right? We paid 2,800 for both the sarees in total. Now one saree was priced for 1,600 and one saree was priced for 1,200. Now I really don't remember कि कौन सी साड़ी का क्या price था, but in total we paid 2,800. So we got this from the Handloom and Handicraft ka shop, which is located inside the City Palace of Udaipur. I think it's run by the government of Udaipur. So udhar we ended up getting this. Now one heads up that I have to give you guys over here is that as soon as we shopped from City Palace and as soon as we stepped out of the City Palace, उधर शॉप्स में पूरा सेम साड़ीज लगा हुआ था, एंड वी जस्ट आस्क्ड द शॉपकीपर द प्राइस एंड ही जस्ट टोल्ड अस हाफ द प्राइस व्हिच वी गॉट देम फॉर. एंड आई थिंक इन दैट मोमेंट वी रियली थॉट दैट वी वर बैम्बूजल्ड, बट कीपिंग अ पॉजिटिव माइंड यू गाइज, आई फील इसका जो क्वालिटी है दैट इज रियली वेरी गुड एंड वर्थ द अमाउंट दैट वी पेड. सो इफ यू आर विजिटिंग उदयपुर एंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू पिक अप साड़ीज, मेक श्योर यू आर चेकिंग फर्स्ट बाहर के शॉप्स के साथ एंड देन यू कैन गो एंड चेक अंदर सिटी पैलेस के शॉप के साथ. लाइक दोनों का क्वालिटी आप चेक करके आपका डिसीजन ले सकते हो, बट आई पर्सनली फील दैट इसका जो क्वालिटी है दैट विल बी मच बेटर, बट या जस्ट द हेड्स अप दैट आई हैड टू गिव यू गाइस ओवर हियर. So let's move on to the second category. So the second category that we have is leather products. So basically there is this shop called as Krishna Handicrafts which is located in the opposite lane of Bagor Ki Haveli. So ये Bagor Ki Haveli का lane है, and ये lane में you will find the Krishna Handicrafts का shop. So in that shop you will only find leather के products, and the shopkeeper itself is the owner of the shop, and he is someone who is going to customize the products that you take. Now by customizing I mean that he is going to imprint your name or your initials or whatever you want written on your products that you purchase. So the first item that we have from Krishna Handicrafts is a sling bag. Now this is how the sling bag looks like. Once you open this you will see that this is divided into two sections, and इधर as you can see मॉम का नाम कस्टमाइज करके उन्होंने दिया है हमें अच्छे से. I really love the stitching वाला detailing that is going on all over the purse. And ये sling bag का जो belt है you can adjust it according to your needs. So this is how the belt looks like, and ये आप holes आपके according करा सकते हो. So ये भी customize हो जाएगा if you want, इधर तक भी हो जाएगा. सो या आई फील ये ओवरऑल बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशियस है और इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें रहेगी. नाउ आई टेल यू गाइज द प्राइस टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द लेदर प्रोडक्ट वाला कैटेगरी. सो द नेक्स्ट आइटम दैट वी हैव फ्रॉम हिज शॉप आर डायरीज. सो बेसिकली वी गॉट 5 डायरीज इन टोटल, एंड हम लोग ने वो बांट दिए जिनको जिनको देना था हमें. So the first diary that I have is for myself. So this is what I picked up for myself. Now basically you have to untie this. I really found it very unique, you know, and ये बहुत ऐसा rustic vintage वाला vibes देता है. So I really liked it, and इसके अंदर ऐसे पूरा plain pages है as you can see. Now इसमें भी 3-4 prints available थे, like 3-4 cover page वाले prints available थे, but I like this one. Now as you can see इधर मैंने मेरा नाम imprint करके लिया है. So it says Rutuja Creates, and yeah, I really love the name. You know, it is our channel's name. So that was about my diary. So the second diary that we have is again my mom's. So इधर भी mom का नाम लिखा हुआ है as you can see, and I really like this lock वाला system that is going on over here, because again like कितना ज़्यादा vintage and rustic vibe देता है. So I really love the vibe of these products. Overall we paid 1,800 for 5 diaries. So 3 छोटू डायरीज और 2 बड़े डायरीज, एंड फॉर दैट बैग रियली डोंट नो कि पर पीस उसका प्राइस क्या था, बिकॉज दिस वाज द शॉप that was suggested to be by one of my friends, and hence मुझे discount मिला. So if you want discount from that shop you can literally go and show him this video and you can tell them that I have sent you and you will get a good discount. So yeah, I think that was it about my leather K products. So let's quickly move on to the second last category and the last category for today. So basically Udaipur has this local market called as Hathipol market, and ये दोनों category है जो products मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ वो सारे Hathipol market से ही है. So the second last category that I have for you guys is footwear, and if you visit Rajasthan and footwear नहीं लिया तो क्या ही राजस्थान visit किया. I feel Rajasthan is very famous for juttis, mojris and basically footwear I would say. So the first pair of item that I have for you guys is mojris. So this is men के mojris. Now I got 3 pairs इसमें अलग अलग colors में, and I got them for all the men in my life. So this is the one pair that I have right now with me. Now I got this from a shop called as Hastakala in Hathipol itself, and मेरे को उनके पास ही बहुत ज़्यादा varieties मिला मोजड़ी का. So as I said, I picked up 3 mojris. I'll be inserting the video of all the 3 pairs so that you will get an idea what I'm talking about. I did not want to take तीनों same pair, so I wanted varieties, and यही shop में वो varieties मुझे मिले. Now the Hastakala shop is also available on Instagram. If I find the link to their page, I'll definitely link them in the description box below. So one new thing that I learned about mojri shopping is that इसका कुछ राइट और लेफ्ट नहीं होता. इवन जुत्ती इसका कुछ राइट और लेफ्ट नहीं होता. आप कैसे भी इसको पहन सकते हो, लाइक कौन से भी पैर में आप कौन सा भी साइड पहन सकते हो, बिकॉज ये दोनों का फिटिंग इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम. बट जस्ट द हेड्स अप, मैंने 3 पैर लिया एज आई मेंशन, एंड तीनों को 9 नंबर थे, एंड तीनों का फिटिंग वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वन अनदर. एंड व्हाट आई डिड वाज लाइक जस्ट टू बी श्योर अबाउट द फिटिंग, मैंने एक पैर वो शॉपकीपर को बोला कि आप पहन के देख लो, उनका भी पैर का नंबर वाज 9, तो उनको वो अच्छे से फिट हो गया. बट बाकी 2 मैंने चेक ही नहीं किया बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक फिट ही होने वाला है. बट दैट डिड नॉट फिट एट ऑल। सो मेरे डैड को बहुत अच्छे से फिट हुआ, मेरे भाई को थोड़ा सा लूज हुआ। एंड तीसरा जो पैर लिया मैंने दैट वाज 10 नंबर, सो उधर 9 नंबर लिखा था बट दैट वाज 10 नंबर ऑल टुगेदर। सो तीसरा पैर वाज टोटली लूज। सो द वन प्रो टिप दैट आई हैव टू गिव यू गाइस ओवर हियर इज दैट कि मेक श्योर आप जितने भी पैर्स ले रहे हो मोजड़ी के, यू आर आस्किंग द शॉपकीपर टू वेयर इट इफ द शॉपकीपर हैज द सेम नंबर। तो अब आप सबका फिटिंग चेक कर लेना एक बार, बिकॉज मेरे साथ तो मतलब स्कैम ही हो गया है। बट आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद इट। आई गॉट इट फॉर 500 ईच, सो 1500 के लिए आई गॉट 3 पेयर ऑफ मोजडीज, वो भी अलग अलग कलर में। तो माई मॉम ऑल्सो पिक्ड अप 1 पेयर ऑफ फुटवेयर फॉर herself from the shop Hastakala itself, and this is how the footwear looks like. I personally was against this because ये एकदम ऐसा फ्लैट है, दिख रहा है कुछ सोल वोल कुछ है ही नहीं, तो I was like ये क्या ही मतलब है इसका, राइट? So she was like no I'll take it because she liked the color and you know pop up color जैसा वो हो सकता है आउटफिट के लिए। So hence she took it, and then later that evening I wore this and I literally ran from one place to another, and this, my god, these are the most comfortable pair of flats I think we ever owned, because ये इतना ज़्यादा comfortable है। Just imagine I'm running in this flat and ये मेरे को comfort provide कर रहा है। Like what else do you need? Thanks to mom that she picked this one up, and yeah, I got it for 200. So the last footwear that I got for myself is again something that is very common and you can find it everywhere in Udaipur, like the Hathipur market में सब जगह जितने भी फुटवेयर के शॉप्स है ये आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा। So I'm talking about these juttis. Now I already have multi color वाले juttis and I really wanted to go for a tan color. मेरा साइज पैरों का is small, so it is 5. So hence मार्केट में मेरे साइज का ये कलर का मिलना was a task. And मैंने जो आपको बोला ना मैं फ्लैट पहन के भाग रही थी, so I was like running from one shop to another. ये कोने से वो कोने में I was running. And then I found this one. I got this for 180 rupees and I'm really happy with the fitting and everything. इधर ऐसा cushion जैसा fitting है. I really love the print that is going on, and again I really love the stitching वाला detailing. Now I got it for 180 rupees. I would have easily picked it up for 150, but then I was like, छोड़ा, I don't want to bargain a lot because of the reasons that I gave you starting of the video में. So I think that's everything that I have for the footwear part. Moving on to the last category and the most exciting category, which is home decor. Now I got a lot of home decor items from Udaipur and hence I kept it for the showstopper. We shopped everything from a place called as National Handicraft. So ये shop is located in Hathipur market. So you can literally Google it and Google Maps पे आपको directions मिल जाएंगे. Basically ये shop में बहुत ज़्यादा antique चीजें थी, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे होम डेकोर के यूनिक पीसेस थे, एंड हेंस ये एक ही शॉप से हम लोग ने सारा होम डेकोर शॉप किया है जितना भी था. सो द फर्स्ट होम डेकोर आइटम दैट वी गॉट फ्रॉम दिस शॉप वाज कोस्टर्स. दीज आर द कोस्टर्स विच वी गॉट फ्रॉम दिस शॉप एंड दिस इज हाउ द डिजाइन लुक्स लाइक. सो ये 6 के पैक में आते हैं एंड वी वर रियली इन नीड ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी वाले कोस्टर्स फॉर आवर होम, एंड हेंस जैसे वी सॉ दिस वी टुक इट बिकॉज ये प्रॉपर राजस्थानी वाइब प्रोवाइड करता है आपके पूरे घर पे, एंड आई फील इट रियली लुक्स वेरी यूनिक एंड ऐसा हेरिटेज वाला वाइब देता है. आई वुड से वी ऑल्सो हैड मोर ऑप्शंस इन कोस्टर्स बट दिस वॉज समथिंग दैट वी लाइक एंड वी गॉट दिस फॉर 250 rupees. That's the first item. Then the second item that we have is a tray. So this is how it looks like. तो इसमें भी बहुत ज्यादा कलरफुल ऑप्शंस थे एंड हम लोग ने आई थिंक 6 to 8 ट्रेज हम लोग ने उठाया ऑब्वियसली फैमिली फ्रेंड्स को देने के लिए. सो या दिस इज द वन दैट वी केप्ट फॉर ourselves, and ये बहुत सा छोटू सा ट्रे है. सो अगर 1-2 गेस्ट आ रहे यू कैन यूज दिस वन एंड फॉर 100 rupees आई फील क्वालिटी एंड ऑल बहुत ज्यादा मस्त है इसका. सो द थर्ड आइटम दैट वी पिक्ड अप इज अ की होल्डर. अगेन वी पिक्ड अप अ बंच ऑफ की होल्डर्स. आई फील हम लोग ने अगेन 8-9 तो ऐसे उठा लिए होंगे. सो व्हेन यू गो ऑन अ ट्रिप ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू it's like you have to bring few souvenirs from the trip to give it to your friends and family. So hence हम लोग ने ऐसे बल्क में चीजें उठाई है एंड अभी मैं आपको जो बता रही हूँ वो हम लोग ने खुद के लिए रखा है. So yeah, this is the key holder that we kept for ourselves. I really love the Rajasthani prints, Rajasthani colors, Rajasthani vibe, like anything and everything that gave me Rajasthani Udaipur vibes. I just ended up buying it. हम लोग ने और अलग अलग कलर ऑप्शंस जो अवेलेबल थे सारे उठा लिए थे एक साथ ही. This is again priced for 100 rupees. The fourth item that we got from National Handicraft is a wind chime, and this is how it looks like. It's a multicolored wind chime, so yellow, pink, green and orange. Basically you will also find एक ही color का wind chime, so सारा yellow, सारा pink, सारा green, सारा orange. But this is something that my mom likes, so हम लोग ने multi color का ही उठा लिया था. And again we got it for 100 rupees. So yeah, I feel ये National Handicraft जो shop है उधर you will get a lot of good quality variety वाले home decor items, unique, antique, everything you name it and they have it. Plus it is super duper affordable. So my personal favorite item that we picked from this shop is a Buddha ka murti. Now this is something that I gifted it to my dadi. I'll post a picture over here and it looks very beautiful. Now this is something that was love at first sight. I really love it. They also had it one neon color में जो रात को ऐसा glow होगा. But this is something that caught my eye and I immediately took it. So this was priced for 450 rupees and I think that pretty much summed up everything that I got from National Handicraft. But we still have few home decor items to go. So there was a home decor ka shop in the area which we were staying and udhar se we picked up few things. I don't remember the name of the shop, but if I get a video, I'll put it on the screen. So the first item which we picked up is a candle stand and this is how it looks like. So we got it for 200. ये हम लोग ने ना first day पे ही देख लिया था and तभी हम लोग ने उठा लिया था because we really love the antique vibe that this gives. And yeah, basically आप इसको ऐसे निकाल के आप रख भी सकते हो, नहीं तो आप इसको ऐसे वॉल पे हैंग भी कर सकते हो. सो ये बहुत ज्यादा मल्टीपर्पज वाला कैंडल स्टैंड है. यू कैन यूज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विश. सो या वी रियली लव्ड इट एंड फॉर 200 आई फील इट्स सच अ स्टील बिकॉज अगर आप मुंबई में इसका प्राइस निकालने जाओगे आपको 500 के नीचे आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन इज गोइंग टू गिव इट टू यू. व्हेनेवर आई ट्रैवल देयर इज दिस वन थिंग दैट आई मेक श्योर आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस एज अ सोवेनियर is fridge magnets. So obviously if you are someone who loves traveling, I know कि बहुत सारे लोगों को fridge magnets collect करना पसंद है and I am one of them. तो मैंने obviously उदयपुर से fridge magnets उठाए. Now as you can see इनके जो हाथ में अलग अलग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, तो हम लोग ने एक पूरा सेट लिया था एंड उसमें दे आर होल्डिंग अलग अलग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. बट मेरे पास वो सेट का फोटो नहीं है बिकॉज अगेन हम लोग ने वो फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को बांट दिया था. सो वी गॉट वन फ्रिज मैग्नेट फॉर 50 rupees and this is something you will easily find in Udaipur because obviously it's a fridge magnet and as I said बहुत सारे लोगों को शौक होता है फ्रिज मैग्नेट कलेक्ट करने का बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यार ये पूरे ऐसे मेमोरीज जैसे होते हैं. लाइक फ्रिज खोल के इतना मस्त फैंसी सा दिखता है. सो या आई रियली लव्ड इट. नाउ मेरे पास जितने भी फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स है आई फील उसमें से ये मेरा फेवरेट है बिकॉज इट्स सो यूनिक. बाकी सारे फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स जो होते हैं वो ऐसे टाइप के होते हैं. नाउ अगेन आई पिक दिस अप बिकॉज इसमें पूरा उदयपुर का फेमस सिटी पैलेस दिखता है एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 20 or 30 rupees if I'm not wrong. But if you are visiting उदयपुर make sure you are taking these cuties because ये बहुत ज्यादा मस्त है एंड बहुत ज्यादा ऑप्शंस में अवेलेबल है एंड इसका फिक्स प्राइस है 50 rupees. सो जो भी आप शॉप में देखोगे it will be priced for 50. If उसके ऊपर प्राइस है so make sure you're taking it for 50 only. I totally forgot to share with you guys one more item. So this is the last item in the haul and this is how it looks like. So this is a huge bag which we picked up on the last day of our trip because we were running out of storage bags and हम लोग ने एक ही हैंड बैग लिया था which was mine जिसमें मेरा लैपटॉप था. We got this from the shop that is exactly right beside हस्तकला, the footwear वाला shop which I said. So this is for 300 rupees and for 300 rupees हम लोग को इतना अच्छा बैग मिला. So basically our main purpose was to fit everything in one handbag because हमारा carry on luggage was only one handbag per person and मेरे पास एक था and mom के पास नहीं था. So hence end moment पे last moment पे जाके हाथीपुल मार्केट से रात को भी picked this one and yeah as you can see it's very spacious and you can carry everything that you want. That pretty much sums up our Udaipur haul video. I hope you guys got an idea of the places where you can shop from in Udaipur. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you know the drill. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And make sure you're going and following me on my Instagram as well because I have posted a lot of short form content on my Instagram. And yeah, let me know in the comment box below which was your favorite item from the Udaipur haul video. Stay tuned for more Udaipur content. That's that. I will see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.